Hi, grade 4, Emirati syllabus. Today it will be the final review before your exam test. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review on the sample of your exam test. By answering this, this is the sample that we have an model answer to know how to answer this question in the exam. Here is we have a pictures and we have sentence related to every picture. Here we have, I like my school. Which one like my school? This the last one. This is the school. We study many subjects, math, science, English, and so on. So this picture. My classroom is big. This one. I wear the uniform. This is the uniform. I do my homework in the evening. This one. I eat my food in my break time. Let's go to another one. Here we say, we read at the library. This is my friend. We play together. I help friends. She chats with her brother. My mom sent a message. Let's answer this question. I read in the library. This is the library. This is my friend. This is my friend. The last picture. This is my friend. We play together. This one. I help my friend. So to be kind, I help my friend. We chat with my brother. This one, chat. This called chat. My mom send a message. This one. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Let's go to another one. With space, raise your hand. So when I rearrange this word, it will be must. We space the rules. Follow the rules. We should respect our parents. Here we say, I listen to my teacher. We have 5 classroom rules. Let's go to another one. My sister is kind. You are clever pupils. Here is, I share my toys with my friends. My teacher said that we have to be honest all the time. Here we say, my teacher is fair. She give us gifts. Slim is what? He helps old men, helpful. Okay, let's go to another one. Sarah is a space girl, especially with her grandma, to be here pride. I feel here excited, and during the lesson we know the adjectives with ed and adjectives with ing. I would like to explain on the board here. Here we have some adjectives. We have adjectives ed form and adjective. We have adjectives ed adjectives. Here we have adjectives ed and adjectives ed and adjectives ing, adjectives ed and adjectives ing. When we say I am bored, I feel bored, or I'm bored, here say I'm bored. So here I expressing my emotion. So this is for persons. When we talk about persons, I say I'm bored. So here I expressing my emotions that I'm bored. Okay. Another one saying this book is boring. When we say this book is boring, we say this book is boring. So here I describe the book is boring. So here we're adding ing for what? Here ing for things. Okay, this is the difference between ed form and ing form. Okay, I think now we know how. Now we know the ing form for things and ed form for persons. Okay, this is the difference between adjective ed and adjective ing. Now we know the difference between them. Let's go to our exercise. Here is we say I feel excited. So my emotion is feeling what? Feeling excited. So here we say I feel excited when I go to the park. Let's go to another one. I broke my car. So I'm sad. I broke, then I'm sad. This is the emoji expressing the sadness. When I see my best friend, I feel happy. I feel worried when I have a science exam. Why? Because science, I think science is difficult, more difficult than mathematics. I think so. I think so. Sometimes science is more difficult than mathematics. I feel here scared when I see a big spur, when I see a big spider. I feel here, I feel angry when someone hit my cat. angry, so not hungry, angry, so not hungry. I get bored. So here we see the difference between ed and the difference between ing, as we explained before from minutes. I feel here I feel shy when I talk in front of others. I did too many courses. Too many courses means duties, means tasks, and so on. This is the meaning of course. I'm really tired. I will leave this one to do it by yourself. I answered one of them and I leave the rest because I don't want to make the video longer. It's a quick review, so we can read. I leave you the link of this review below the video to download it and review again. Okay, this is for grade 4 Emirati syllabus who have the exam in I think your exam is on 25 November, the 25 November on, I think on Tuesday, I think so. Okay, so this for grade 4 Emirati syllabus. You can review, you can you can make rewind to the video or can review the video again and download the booklet below the video, the PDF on the video to review what we told here in this video. Okay, here is the comprehension. As we know before grade 4, I explained more and more that we must read the text carefully. Why? Because we have something beyond the meaning. We can underline the pronoun and say this pronoun refers to what. So we must read the text very well to understand what the text wants from you. Okay, let's do this question together. My town. So here I talk about my town. My name is Omar. I live in a small place in my town. There is a hospital and a big park. So Omar expressing the place by saying that it's small and there is a hospital and big park in this place. People go to the hospital for what? For help when they are sick. We visit the park to play games. Near the park there is a library. Children go to the library to read and for books. And to borrow books, here is to borrow books. I don't go to the market every day. My sister goes to the mosque to pray. There is not a museum or a fire station near our school, but we visit them sometimes to learn things. Here we say missing letter. People space for help. Go to the hospital. There is a library near the park. We visit park to play games. My sister goes to the mosque to pray. I don't go to. Here is we say don't, and as we told before that when we use don't and doesn't, we return the verb to the infinitive form in this called simple tense. I don't go to the market every day. Children go to the library for books. The space is not near the school, the fire station. Omar lives in a small place. We visit the museum to learn things. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Okay, I answer one and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have the question of writing a paragraph. Here we say firefighter, keep and safe. So I can write a sentence. Firefighter works to keep people safe. This is the sentence here and write it here. Farmer and plane. Farmer helps to grow. Farmer helps to grow vegetables and fruit. Takes care of animals. Or can say can replace take care by keep animals. Both are correct. Okay. Here we have some meaning in Arabic. I would like to know it in English, and here and it's translated in Arabic. You can read it in Arabic. Here is we have must. Must means something is obligated. Follow, respect, listen, work, job, helps, feel, when. We have excited, sad, happy, schools, subject, more, than, and six. This called for what? This is used for what? For the comparative form when we make comparison between two persons or things. We have best. We use the best with what? With the superlative form, like, because, and so on. Here we have friend, share, together, help, city, quiet, busy, must, leave, rule. Here is we have kind, fair, honesty, helpful, polite, office, factory, engineer, nurse, builder, farmer, tools, worried, tired, angry, shy, scared, bored, timetable, classroom. Here we have uniform, homework, break time, library, lesson, library, chat, message, group. Here is group and talk, meet. We have here simple skyscraper. Here's skyscraper. This is the tall buildings that we see in Europe, and some of these skyscrapers now we see it in our Arab countries also. Now we see these skyscrapers, means tall buildings. Okay, here we have village, traffic, crowded, tractor, animals. By this item, we end from our video, and we end from our topics of this term. Best of luck of you, and I hope to well done in your exam. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.